Hi everyone, I'm gonna show you how to check Korea visa status. First of all, we have to go on Google and search Korea visa portal. Click on first result. This is Korean version. We can change it in English. Click on English. Left side of the screen, here is the check application status. Click on check application status and print. Here we have to give the required information, and here is an example. Fill the boxes according to your passport. Click on Search button. Here is the search result and current visa status. Thanks for watching this video.